Let's take a look at the latest enhancements to AI packaging in Cloudpager. I'll start by clicking Add Application and going to Package from Winget, because this is the existing functionality of AI packaging that you may already be familiar with. You select from a curated list of hundreds of consumer off-the-shelf apps, and then you can just have AI package that application for you. But the new enhancement gives the option to provide your own installer for your own custom installs. So you can browse out to your own custom installer or potentially just drag and drop it onto this UI. Once ready, click Continue, and then it's a familiar workflow of populating the application name, version, publisher information, maybe setting a nice tile image, a description, etc. What is also different here is you can customize the install parameters. So for example, with Firefox, I'm going to select to disable the desktop shortcut, and AI packaging will respect that when doing the automated packaging for you. At this point, of course, AI packaging is doing the work. There is nothing else required from an administrator, and I will edit the video so we don't have to sit waiting for AI to complete that work. Okay, with those applications published now, we can go ahead and deploy those to our employees. So I'm going to do that by using a work pod. I'm going to create a new work pod for my contractors. I'll give it a work pod name. I could set a description, but I'm going to go ahead and just add my applications. In this case, I'm going to add the 7-zip. That was the Winget application that AI packaged for me. And I'm also going to add my custom Firefox installer that AI packaged for me. I'm going to assign this to my contractors, and then I'm going to proceed to click Publish. I get prompted for a comment. But before I do that, I'm going to go over to a desktop where I'm logged in with an employee who's a member of that group, and I'm just going to launch into our client software so we can visualize and see what's happening. Okay, I'll put in my comment and click Publish. And within moments, if I go back to the desktop with our client software Cloudpaging player open, we're going to see it goes from no applications to launch to our 2 applications that AI packaged for us. Of course, I could launch 7-zip from Cloudpaging Player, but most employees will go to the Start menu and launch their application there. And we can see that this is indeed running 7-zip as a container, and it is 2501. Next, you can see on the desktop, there is no Firefox shortcut, which is expected, and instead we'll go to the Start menu and launch Firefox from there. And that's it. Firefox is launching. It's going to go through that first launch experience, some of which could actually be customized with a different installer argument. But yeah, for all intents and purposes, this browser is working, and AI has packaged these applications for me. So this enhancement to AI packaging will expand the applications that you're able to automate with AI packaging. And this initial enhancement will support the MSI format, with future enhancements coming later this year to support more package types. Thank you for watching this video.